Let's start the troubleshooting of the PCB. I suspect a power line problem as there is no indication of life of the equipment. So we have here many of the components and there are many power SMD circuits that need to be checked. Everything looks fine, there is no any visual issues, so we will check. The first suspicion line is the Mosfet line that feed several inductors that work on the very high frequency. I will show the datasheet later. This one is input. Actually, it's 12-volt input that connects through the fuse and the Schottky diode. Then we can see the other components that distributing the power. So let's check this one first. We can see the MOSFET, we can see the driver and the 0 ohm resistor. So checking the resistor shows that it's fine. As you can see, it's not even easy to check the resistor. Yeah, look at the third column. It works on the frequency up to 130 megahertz. So this MOSFET is creating some heat, and the heat basically transferred to the PCB through the pin 1, 2, 5, and 6. You can see it on the datasheet here. I will show it now. Yeah, so first, second, fourth, and fifth working as a radiator. As drain create a lot of heat that need to be transferred to radiator. So radiator is basically a PCB. What else here? We have input 12 volt, fuse, and LSD. Actually LSD, it's Schottky diode. So the rest is fine. Oh, 9R. I thought, what is might be 9R? And you know, it's not a power device. The datasheet tell us that this is amplifier, very low noise amplifier, and it's working on the very high frequency up to 10 gigahertz. I was really surprised to see such components on this PCB. So nothing to do with this component as it's not a power device, so no need to check it. So we can skip. And those diodes are fine. So the second suspector, or the first suspector, is the fuse and the LSD. So the fuse is under some glue and the Schottky diode, so it's not LSD, it's SD. So we have two typical connections to protect the electronics. The first way is connect the Schottky diode as a series, and the second way as a parallel. So the difference is when you connect the positive or negative wires in a wrong way, the diode will just stop the flow and nothing will happen. In the second way, the diode will make a short current and then the fuse will be blown. However, when you connect the series diode as a series, it will create some heat that then again need to be transferred to the radiator. So what Sony did, they connected it through the fuse. In my opinion, it's not really good. However, they know better. So I connected to directly, so there is no protection at all. If you do something wrong, then it's finished. So let's check how it works. Everything is connected. The diode show me that everything is live. So let's switch it on. Yeah, it's working. So let's open the device. Let's put some CD. and I can hear that the device is starting reading the CD. I don't have a TV, so I cannot check what is the picture, but I'm pretty sure everything working fine. Thank you very much for watching.